let's start the next topic of our chapter, metal and non-metal, that is chemical properties of metal. In previous video we have studied physical properties of metal and non-metal. Let's take one by one. First, what is the nature of metal? Actually, metals are electropositive elements. How? We will understand this. Metals usually have 1, 2 or 3 electrons in their valence shell. For example, Na, it has electronic configuration 11. That means 281 is its electronic configuration, and it has a single electron in its outermost. If Na want to attain noble gas configuration, then what will happen? It will lose one electron, and it loses electrons means electron removed from this atom, means negative charge removed from that atom and positive charge remain here. Only one electron is present, hence it loses one electron. How we will write the equation? Na 281, it loses one electron, means Na plus positive charge remains and one electron removed. And what is the configuration? 2 8. Similarly, in case of Mg has 12 electron, 282. It loses 2 electrons to achieve noble gas configuration. And what will be the reaction? Mg gives Mg2 plus 2 electron. In this way, we can write the reaction of formation of ion. Here the ions are cations. They form cations. As a result, metals are called electropositive elements. And this nature determine its chemical property. Okay, students. Now the first property is the reaction of metal with oxygen. Metal reacts with oxygen to form metal oxide. Metal oxide is formed when metal reacts with oxygen. For example, Na plus O2 gives Na2O. Further, this is a very reactive oxide and it reacts with water to form hydroxide. Alkaline solutions are formed. Its oxides are generally basic. Oxides of metal, okay, are basic in nature. Now, it depends on the reactivity of metal that what will be the reaction. If the metal is reactive, then the reaction take place at room temperature. In case of sodium, potassium, calcium, oxygen reacts with these metals at room temperature. At room temperature, the reaction take place and oxides are formed. If we take some reaction which are less reactive than these metals, then what will happen? We need to do heat. Then we will heat and the reaction proceed. For example, if we want to burn magnesium, you have seen in the laboratory, I think in class 7th, burning of magnesium ribbon, then magnesium oxide is formed. But here heating is required. Okay, for zinc the heating is also required. You should know how to write these reaction. Metal लिखेंगे Mg plus O2 gives MgO. In first chapter we have learned to balance the reaction, then we will balance it here. Okay students, now The next is some metals like iron and copper. Iron and copper do not burn even on strong heating. ये हीट करने पर भी नहीं रिएक्शन देती. We have to heat prolongated. थोड़े लंबे समय तक हमें हीट करना पड़ेगा. Then the oxides are formed. CuO, Fe3O4. Okay students. Now there are some reactions, some metals which do not react with oxygen like gold, platinum. These metals do not react with oxygen at all. Second property is reaction of metal with water. If we write its general equation, then what is the reaction? The reaction is metal plus water. Generally, metal oxide or metal hydroxide is formed. Metal hydroxide or oxide plus H2. H2 gas is evolved. हाइड्रोजन गैस निकलती है. सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम रिएक्ट विग्रसली. बहुत तेज़ी से रिएक्शन होगी. पानी में डालेंगे सोडियम और पोटेशियम को और हाइड्रोक्साइड बन जाएगा. ओके. और हाइड्रोजन गैस बनेगी और इतनी ज़्यादा हीट निकलेगी कि ये हाइड्रोजन गैस कैचेस फायर. आग लग जाएगी. ओके. बिकॉज दीज मेटल आर वेरी reactive metals. Next, calcium. When calcium reacts with water, then calcium hydroxide is formed, but this reaction is less violent. Okay, students. Now the next, some more metals we will take here. Magnesium. Magnesium reacts with water. Now what will formed? Oxide is formed, not hydroxide. That is oxide along with hydrogen. Zinc and aluminium के case में भी बच्चों we will get oxide. It means either oxide or hydroxide both can form when metal reacts with water. Okay, and hydrogen gas is formed always. Next, last is if we take the metal iron, then it not directly reacts with water. It react with steam. Okay, sodium and potassium reacts with in the previous slide we have seen sodium and potassium reacts with cold water. Okay students, cold water. Calcium also with cold water, but when we talk about less reactive metals like magnesium, it reacts very slowly with cold and reacts with hot water. Zinc and aluminium reacts with steam. This is steam. Okay, this is a water but in the form of steam. Now we are studying the case of iron. In iron we take again heat, steam, but we have taken red hot iron now. रेड हॉट आयरन चाहिए होगा, देन ऑक्साइड इज़ फॉर्म्ड. कॉपर, गोल्ड, सिल्वर ये रिएक्शन ही नहीं करते हैं. ओके, गोल्ड, सिल्वर, प्लैटिनम ऑल्सो. वन मोर इज प्लैटिनम. दीज मेटल्स डू नॉट रिएक्ट विथ वाटर. नेक्स्ट, द थर्ड पॉइंट इज, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज रिएक्शन विद ऑक्सीजन, सेकेंड इज विद वाटर, and the third is now with dilute acids. Here metal react with dilute acids. Again the reaction is violently take place. In case of sodium, magnesium, potassium, what are the form? What will be the general equation? Metal plus dilute acid. Write these general equation always. What will happen? Then metal salt is formed. Metal salt plus hydrogen gas. Metal salt is formed plus hydrogen gas. See, this is metal, this is acid. Metal salt plus hydrogen. Okay, aluminium and zinc. Aluminium and zinc reacts with acid. Okay, dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4. Then also hydrogen is formed with metal salt. These are the metal salts. How we will write the metal salts? By looking at the valencies. For example, if we want to write aluminium sulfate, Al की valency 3, SO4 की valency 2, sulfate की, what will be the formula? Al2SO4's whole thrice. You have learnt in class 9th. Okay, so please revise it again and again so that you can write the equation correct. No need to learn, need to understand. Zinc plus HCl, ZnCl2 plus H2. Okay, metal salt is formed. Again zinc plus H2SO4, ZnSO4 is formed. In this way, different metals react with acids. We will take some more examples. Iron. In case of iron, HCl and H2SO4, it react very slowly. The reaction now becomes slowly because the reactivity of metal decreases. Here also metal salts are formed along with H2 gas. H2 gas evolve. Copper does not react with these acids. Okay, copper इसके साथ reaction नहीं करता है. This will be copper. Now, there is a one conceptual question that HNO3, it do not react. It doesn't react with metals to produce hydrogen. HNO3 नहीं करता है. Why? Because you just learn it is an oxidizing agent. Okay, it is an oxidizing agent and it does not react with metals to form H2 gas. Two exception cases are there. It reacts with Mg and Mn. Very dilute HNO3 reacts with Hg, Mg and Mn to produce hydrogen gas. Last, the reaction of metal with metal salt solution. Okay, here one thing which we have to learn, that always more reactive metal डिस्प्लेस कर देती है किसको? डिस्प्लेस लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल. ओके, हाउ? इफ वी हैव ए रिएक्शन Zn plus CuSO4, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस इज मोर रिएक्टिव, ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है, इसको हटा देगा और इसकी जगह खुद पहुंच जाएगा. व्हाट विल द रिएक्शन नाउ प्रोडक्ट्स? Cu plus ZnSO4. Okay students, if we take this reaction Fe plus CuSO4, it should always aqueous. It means we are taking the solutions. What will be the reaction? Cu plus FeSO4. It means iron ने displace कर दिया किसको? Copper को. Got it? Now, if I have this reaction Cu plus FeSO4, this reaction will not take place. Why? Because this is less reactive than Fe. Okay students, now how will you get which reaction is more reactive and which is less? A reactivity series is given in your book. You need to learn that reactivity series. For you can see this also, Cu plus ZnSO4, no reaction because Cu is less reactive than Zn. Only less reactive metal, copper, silver, ये do not liberate hydrogen from dilute acid. Okay, ये ना acid के साथ reaction करती हैं because they are very less reactive metals. और ये metals अपने से ज़्यादा reactive metal को भी displace नहीं कर सकती हैं. Now you should know the reactivity series, then only you can do it. Okay, Fe plus CuSO4. Will this reaction take place? Yes, because Fe is more reactive. FeSO4 plus Cu. Okay, so today we have discussed reaction of metal with oxygen, water, acid and salt solution. Metal salt solution, other metal salt solution. Okay, 4 properties we have discussed. Write down the notes in your notebook. Thank you, students.